Welcome. If you've ever wanted to keep up with just a specific category on a Discord server, like announcements, events, or your favorite game chat, this guide will walk you through the updated steps to follow a category, making sure you never miss a post. First, open the Discord app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the server where you want to follow a specific category. You'll find your list of servers on the left side of the screen. Just tap the one you need. Now that you're inside the server, look for the option labeled Browse Channels. This is usually found near the top of your channel list or within the server menu, depending on whether you're using Discord on mobile or desktop. Tap on Browse Channels to open up a full list of all the available channels and categories within that server. Scroll through the list until you find the category you want to follow. Categories are typically bolded and might have several channels grouped underneath them, like announcements, events, or gaming. Take a moment to find the exact category that interests you. Once you've found the category, select it. If the server has enabled this feature, you'll see an option that says, Follow Category. Tap on Follow Category. This will subscribe you to updates from every channel within that category, so you'll get notified whenever something new is posted. If you don't see the Follow Category button, it's possible that the server admins haven't enabled this feature yet, or it might not be available for every server. In that case, you can still follow individual channels within the category by selecting each channel and looking for a Follow or Subscribe option, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll stay up to date with everything happening in your chosen category, without the clutter of notifications from channels you're not interested in. This makes it much easier to keep track of the conversations and updates that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or server members who might also want to streamline their Discord experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.